My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again in this video I'm talking about the SHIBA INU token, friends. What surprise changes occur in this time in the SHIBA INU? What surprise changes occur? What's currently condition of the SHIBA INU and what's going in this time in the market? In this video I will show you, friends. So keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new on my channel, please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and update, friends. Anyways, let's start the video, friends, and let's move on. As you can see, first of all, we look the currently condition of the SHIBA token. As you can see here, the price of the SHIBA coin is very fastly moving up, but unfortunately from the previous last one day, the over and over falling period of the SHIBA INU token are starting now, friends. So what's the reason behind this fast and why the SHIBA INU token is fast down? In this video I will also show you. Keep watch. And friends, in this video I'm talking about the previous period. As you can see, as you already know, that the previous period of the SHIBA INU token is very good period. As you can see, the SHIBA INU token has taken a high jump in the previous time. But why SHIBA INU token at this time fast down, friends? So friends, keep watch this video for this answer, friends. And if you look, the price changes occur in the SHIBA INU. So as I told you that the previous time changes occur in the SHIBA INU has gone wrong. The last 1 hour price change is wrong. The last 1 day price change is wrong. Only as I told you that the previous time of the SHIBA INU token is very good. The last 1 day pricing is about 1000 plus positive change occur in the SHIBA INU token. Absolutely, that's a good news for all of us, friends. Now friends, let's see the price chart for a better understanding and what's going in this time in the market. As I told you that from the previous last 1 day, from the previous yesterday, the falling period of the SHIBA INU token start now. As you can see here on the chart, the over and over falling period start now from the yesterday. And if you look the currently condition at this time of the SHIBA INU token condition and the market, so at this time they are also in the falling more, friends. So what's the reason behind it? Why they fast down, friends? The reason is that a lot of short-term investor they sell SHIBA INU token in this time, friends, because they want profit and they take her profit and go away from the market, friends. Same like that, at this time the price of SHIBA INU token is fast down because the short-term investor going to sell SHIBA INU token at this time, friends. So that is why the pricing is fast. But don't worry, that's not mean that the price is fast down then you sell it. No, that's not mean. If you are a long-term investor, so please hold it with the last of this year. I hope that very soon SHIBA INU token can hit a $1 friends. And the last of this year, there's a lot of chances today hit a $1, friends. Anyways, if you look, the price changes occur in the last 1 day and the 24 hours. So the price change is negative 26.56% changes occur in the SHIBA INU token in the last 1 day, and the highest price is $0.000031 is the highest price of SHIBA INU token and the last 1 day and the last 24 hour, friends. So please don't do this mistake. I know at this time the price is fast down, but don't do this mistake. Don't send SHIBA INU token. It's time to hold SHIBA INU token. What's your prediction about SHIBA INU token? What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box. Kindly, friends, don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.